Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a function and then go through the steps to do transformations on it. So we're going to start with the graph f of x equals x squared. Now, if you don't know what that looks like, you can always plot it in a graphing calculator to get the idea of what it looks like. But we're going to discuss the transformations needed to produce the graph g of x equals 2 times the quantity x plus 3 squared minus 1. So using order of operations, the first thing we do with x is we add 3. So the first thing we're going to do in transforming the graph is shift the graph. So remember, a positive value for a horizontal shift is going to be moving to the left. So we shift left 3 units. Now the next thing we have, after we go ahead and apply the function here, so we added 3 to x and now we squared everything, now we're multiplying by 2. So that's going to be a vertical scaling which I'll put in parentheses stretch by a factor of 2. And that's vertical, not vertic. And now the final thing we have is subtracting 1 at the end. So that is going to be a vertical shift, which I'm not going to write vertical here. I will just say shift down 1 unit. So that would be what we'd have to do from the graph of f of x equals x squared to get g of x equals 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 1. We're going to take that graph of x squared, shift it left 3 units, stretch it vertically by a factor of 2, and then shift it down 1 unit. So that concludes the material for section 1.6 of the textbook, and also for module 1 of the course. The test should be posted by Thursday morning, and it will be due Sunday at midnight. And other than that, we will get started on module 2 next week.